What is up, guys? My name is KLYMIT, and today we're going to review a sleeping pad. Now this sleeping pad is not only lightweight, it is very small, very portable, and it's easy to take anywhere. They have plenty of different colors. This one is a camo. This is the King Camo edition, and the best thing about it is it has a lifetime warranty. So if you popped it or damage, or if it gets damaged, they replace it. Easy as that. It is 72 by 103 centimeters. I am around 6'3". Keep that in mind. And this thing only weighs 18 ounces. The thickness is 2.5 inches, and converted into centimeters, that is 6.4 centimeters. It is made of rugged 75D polyester fabric. It is made of a rugged 75D polyester fabric. It has V-chamber, limit air movement for added comfort, great for side sleeping, and it has an R of value 1.3. I am not sure what that means, but this one is called the Static 5 Camo. And you see the comparison. There's my hand, there's that. That's pretty small. So that's awesome to have. You throw it in a backpack, you throw it in the back of your truck, back of anything. It is easily stored. Use it on a cot, use it on the ground. This thing's versatile. Works great on grass. So let's open up to see how big it is. It has a very nice cover. It looks like they just rolled it up into it. There is a valve for it. Very nice. Now this thing easy to roll out. For the valve, you untwist it and you pull it up. So this is what it looks like when it's blown up. It has a V, as it says, it has a V design. It has these little pads on the side of it. I'm 6'3". The only thing it doesn't cover is my feet. Brands of sleeping pads, but that was pretty weird that you can't roll it up how you want. You have to fold it in half and then fold it another half. So I guess it's just how the way the air ducts are laid out. The plus sides, it has a lifetime warranty. It is very durable. Looks good on the road. Strength test. It works. It works. It didn't hurt at all either. Even great for snow! Even great for rocks. I don't know about this rock, but it's great. Number one thing I bought this for is how small it was. So if you're looking for a backpacking one, this is definitely the one I would get. I would recommend I would get, and it's just so easy to just throw it somewhere and there it is. The downsides are you can't fold it up as easily as you think. You have to fold it in half and then fold it into another half to actually get it to let the air out of it and roll up by itself. It is not self-inflated, but it is very easily to blow up. It doesn't take many breaths, and you can choose whether you want more air in there or less air in there. The self-inflating ones you can't get this small. I have this in red, blue, red, blue, orange, and I think a lime green. Also the camel. The camel ones seem a little bit cheaper than the other ones, but I'll link those down in the description if you want to go check those out right now. And this would be a product I would recommend. It is called the Static 5 Camo. Again, Static 5 Camo. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like. Also, hit that subscribe button wherever it is. I think it's down there, somewhere up there. Anyway, hit that subscribe button. Please share these videos. Share them with anyone you want, anyone that you think that would use it, and anyone that would be looking for a sleeping pad, because this one was a pretty good one. I hope I guys see you next week. Please enjoy these videos, and always make sure to subscribe, smash it. Check them out in the link in the description. And as always, think positive, stay happy, and later. Great on a dirt road.